Good morning. So we're out here. This is day 3 of free running.
VCP 23. We're just past VCP 23 on the race course a little ways down.
I think what they want me to do is get in the car with them. They're going to take me out to a section, drop me off, and then have me fly the section so they could, I guess, get an aerial view of what's going on in this spot, and maybe get some shots of the car going through. Who knows? They should be here in a little bit, and I'm going to hop in the car and go for a ride.
Okay, we're gonna stop and get a video of you coming through there. So, can you look cool?
Waiting for Craig to come by. We're gonna get a little shot of him coming through here. Should be pretty rad. Some dust on the lens. Always wipe your lens, kids. That was a lot closer than I thought. Huh? So that was a lot closer than I thought.
I know. Shit, way back in there, huh? That's the bad thing about that shroud, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, I got it out.
Yeah, go ahead. You can start it up and rev it up. Just a little. Yeah, watch the shit will fly out of there too.
Clear.
Did it get you? No.
Oh.
It just shut itself off.
Yeah, you might have revved it a little too hard.
I need to check engine light on now. I was using my hand. Where are those guys meeting us?
We can radio to them and tell them if they want, they can meet us, or they can just go out to the highway and wait for us to come back around, huh?
Oh, they're still down there?
Yeah, we can go up to like 65. When we first see the road, we can jump on the road and come back. Okay, Thursday morning, we'll be there. All right, thank you. Bye. It's not like doing business at home, right?
No compression at all.
Yeah.
You guys clear?
Yeah.
Do it again.
I don't even know the key on it doing that.
Go to gauges.
Yeah.
So the car has no compression now after changing the belt, so kind of stuck here. We're going to tow the car back. Hopefully there's nothing bad, but it has no compression, so that doesn't sound very good. Although I don't know much about these engines, but no compression isn't a good thing. So stay tuned, see what happens. So I just threw up my drone and checked out some of the course. So they could see right here, it splits off into like probably 10 different lines. I flew, went really high, and so we could look down on the course and see what line would probably be best. Hopefully I can help, that's awesome. See, drones are good, drones are good.
I'll be cooking them steaks.
So it's day 4 pre-running. That car broken.
Spectator passes to get into these.
They don't think that, just so you know?
Huh?
What do you mean they don't think?
To be out in this desert freaking anytime I want.
What's up?
What's up?
How's the drive?
Good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Oh, damn, my foot is fucking asleep.
Why?
Because we left him at home for you. We're running a naked race, baby.
Seriously, why are there no panels in the car? Quit fucking around. Seriously, stop looking at me like that. What the fuck?
I was told Emerson has panels.
No, they were being delivered to you guys to put on the car.
There's no panels there.
Fuck, we're riding dirty, baby. We're riding dirty.
You
had it for a little bit.
I did.
We already
I
knew.
saw his little grin go. It was wavering. It was starting to shake a little bit.
I was just gonna tell you.
GoPro still on there? So, down here, and I crashed her again. But this time, this got sheared off from a cactus. I was coming back down to shoot the cars right here and didn't even see it. It clipped the, look at that thing. Clipped the side of it and ripped the arm right off and went head first into another mound of rocks. But camera's good. Really everything else is good. Just gotta change an arm. Dialed. Are you good?
You need help or you got somebody? You want water or something?
Yeah, just water.
Here, I'll grab it, dude. I'll grab it. Thanks, man.
I should be good though. I should be good. I can hear them on the radio. They haven't found me yet.
How far is your bike?
Like down that little dirt road right there, like maybe a half mile. Arturo.
How long you been out here for?
Like an hour and a half.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Well, they were in Pierceview, and then I was supposed to make it back there, but I didn't make it back. If you speak in Spanish, it ain't to me. No, it actually gets hard packed again for a second. This is about as soft as it'll get right here. Perfect. Okay. I had it on a foot peg. Let's see if it starts with like. Oh.
It sounded like it might.
She did that a few times for me.
So we found him stranded on the side of the road on the way back to go pick up the other guys. So we're on a rescue mission right now to pick up this dude, put it on that trailer, and get him out of this desert. We got him some water and stuff. Never leave a man behind. Uh-oh, whoa, whoa. Is he not in four-wheel?
I don't know.
He doesn't look like he's in four-wheel. So now we might get stuck out here and we need help. Oh, dude. He's getting rough, dude. Four-wheel drive's not working now and he's getting a little deep.
There you go. This is the only wheel that's driving the truck, though.
Yeah, the four-wheel drive's not working.
You gotta watch the hubs. When I put those stupid caps on there.
Oh.
Can I get him? Can we get him?
Locking hubs will get you every time. Negative, Bobby.
Max, this is rad, brother. Thanks, Max.
Watch it.
Why it just pops right out?
Yeah, that's what it's gonna do right now.
Man, who needs four-wheel drive, you know?
Dumping now, I think. Ready?
Yeah.
About 3 feet. Left.
Honestly, we could probably just.
Solid.
I think she's good.
Yeah, she's fine. Brandon, you're good.
Listen, kids, buy a four-wheel drive.
Help time.
Good job, boys.
Dude, how long you been looking for me?
Got you out.
Hell yeah, thank you, brother.